Visihero AI has just been released, and today I'm going to show you the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner, if you're looking to streamline your operations and level up your digital game, keep watching. I'll give you the insider details that'll help you decide if Visihero AI is the right fit for your needs. First off, you can actually try Visihero AI for free through the first link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth taking a look, especially with how quickly AI tools like this one are transforming businesses. Stick with me to the end, because I'll give you my personal recommendations for the best AI software after trying thousands of them. Now let's dive into what Visihero AI brings to the table. For starters, this software focuses on simplifying your digital marketing and content creation process. The standout feature is its ability to generate high-quality, engaging content at lightning speed. It uses advanced machine learning to analyze your niche, understand your target audience, and create tailored content that feels natural and authentic. Whether you're working on blog posts, social media captions, or email campaigns, Visihero AI makes the process incredibly efficient. Another key feature is its powerful AI-driven image and video generation. This is particularly useful for businesses in need of compelling visuals, but without the budget to hire professional designers or videographers. Visihero AI can create stunning visuals from scratch, saving you time and money while still delivering top-notch results. For digital marketers, this means you can focus more on strategy and less on the time-consuming production side. What sets Visihero AI apart from other AI tools is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The dashboard is simple to navigate, with clear options that make it easy to access the software's various features. If you're new to AI-powered tools, this makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to dive in without feeling overwhelmed. Visihero AI also comes equipped with a robust analytics dashboard. This is a huge advantage because it allows you to track the performance of your content and marketing campaigns in real time. With the ability to monitor key metrics like engagement rates, conversion rates, and audience demographics, you can refine your strategy and optimize your efforts for maximum impact. Another standout feature is the automation capabilities. Visihero AI lets you schedule posts, emails, and campaigns in advance, freeing up time for other important tasks. It can even suggest the best times to post based on your audience's behavior, ensuring that your content reaches them at peak engagement moments. You'll also appreciate the customization options available. While Visihero AI's base templates are fantastic for beginners, the software allows you to make detailed tweaks to fine-tune content exactly to your brand's voice and message. So whether you need a highly specific tone or want to implement your own style, Visihero AI gives you that flexibility. Lastly, let's talk about the support system. The Visihero AI team offers 24/7 support, and the community is growing fast. You won't be left on your own if you run into any issues. The wealth of resources, guides, and tutorials means that even new users can get up to speed quickly. In conclusion, Visihero AI is definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use tool to enhance your digital marketing and content creation. It has a solid mix of features that cater to both newcomers and experienced professionals alike. Remember, you can try Visihero AI for free through the first link below, no strings attached. I've also included a list of my top recommended AI tools in the description that you can try out for free. After testing thousands of different AI software options, these are the ones I think will give you the most bang for your buck. Thanks for watching, and if you want more reviews and insights on the latest AI tools, hit that link below and explore what's out there.